Hey guys, Paul here again. Welcome back to the e-commerce roundtable for part 6 of this sales funnel that we have started building from scratch. We are almost done and almost ready for launch. First of all, I wanted to come to you and apologize for not being able to come on here every day like I want, like I am used to doing, like I promised you I would. It's because I am moving. I'm moving out of state, so it's not an easy move. It's a very hard move. I'm getting everything organized. I barely have time to breathe. So I'm trying my best whenever I have a second to jump on and get this going with you guys because I love it. I love doing this, not moving. Again, bear with me. When I get to my new place, it's a house. I'm going to have a home office there. And the good news is I'm coming to you from a brand new place, a brand new office that I'm very excited about. And the bad news is I'm not going to be able to come to you every single day until I get there. But like I said, I'm going to do my best to come to you and still get you moving forward, okay? Like I said in part 5, this part 6, we're going to install our Google Analytics code. That way we can continue tracking our funnel, not just through Facebook, but through Google as well. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. All right, actually, sorry about that. All right, here we go. Here's our funnel. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is, like I said, install our Google Analytics code. Okay, so you're gonna go to google.com, you're gonna type in Google Analytics in the search, and then you're going to come across this page. This is the sign up page, okay? After you say create an account, you're going to come here. It says analytics. You're going to put your credentials in, and you're going to hit get tracking down here, okay? I'm not going to do that here because this is my e-commerce roundtable thing and my coaching and my courses. So I'm not going to connect this to my Dropship funnel because it's 2 different businesses. But I wanted to show you what this looked like, okay? So you're going to eventually come over to a page like this after you sign up and say get tracking code, okay? This is your Google Analytics tracking code, all right? What you're going to do is you're going to copy this code. I hope I'm not too loud. Am I yelling at you guys? Sorry about that. All right, you're going to take the code over here to the global blue settings within the funnel, okay? This is your funnel. This is how the funnel is laid out. These are your funnel steps. Go squeeze page, order form, upsell, upsell, thank you. Right? That's all we have in this one. So this is your funnel. So once you're in the funnel, not the funnel step, go over to your settings, which is the global. This is the global settings for your entire funnel. So what you do here happens everywhere on every single step. Okay? Not like the Facebook pixel code where we went into each step and we put it on certain pages that we want to track. All right, so you're going to come over here to the global settings. You're going to go here, and you are going to throw in your tracking code, just like that. Boom. All the way to the bottom. Save and update this. Save and update the settings. And that's it. We've installed our Google Analytics code. It's that easy. All right, so let's test it out real fast. After that, you're going to be prompted by Google and all that good stuff, and you're going to come here to your, I believe it's your home page, where you're going to be able to track in real time. There it is. Okay? Let's go ahead and preview the page. Go back to our Google, and we should get, sometimes it takes a second to talk to. There it goes, 2. It says 2 because I have it open in my other screen also. So you're going to see in real time how many people are on your page, which is really awesome. I love Google Analytics. I put it up on my monitor. It's up all the time. I see who's coming. I see who's going. I love it. It's perfect. Oh, there's someone on my page. How exciting. Are they going to buy? I wait 5 to 10 minutes and I see what happens, right? Anyways, Google Analytics installed. Done. It's that simple.